There will always be people who are going to write books on whatever topic you are writing a book on or have written a book on. But your stories are uniquely yours and your data is uniquely yours if you did the research.
Figure out what people need to do and condense it into something manageable. People have already done the research. They already went and read those bigger, thicker books. My book is to make it more approachable and really actionable.
I do think that a lot of times authors second guess themselves. If you are generous enough to take your hundreds of hours of research and distill that down into something that somebody can read in 10 hours or less, that is a gift to the marketplace. And yeah, please do it. People will appreciate it.
You need a different marketing technique depending on what book it is. When I go in person, people don't actually want to read my fiction books. They want to read the nonfiction ones because the stories are funny and I seem like a real person. And that's what they want to get to know.
Writing a book is its own life transition. Becoming an author is its own life transition. Create the conditions to be successful and do that. And then be really clear about what you're trying to accomplish and make a spreadsheet for how you're going to measure all the metrics.